How to exit game on PowKiddy RGB20S. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you exit game on PowKiddy RGB20S. First thing, what you could actually do is you simply want to press and select the start button together twice, and this will bring you back to the game selection menu. You could then choose another game or go back to a home screen, or you could go ahead and click on the quit option from the main menu page, and that is also going to be helpful. And this way you'll be able to exit game on your PowKiddy RGBS20s. You could also find the options of logout at the top of the page, or maybe exit or quit. You could go and look for it in the gear section as well, and this is how it's gonna work. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.